Welcome to Gather and Go Travel how-to videos. If you find this video useful, please like it and subscribe to our channel. Today I'm going to cover one of my favorite Google Flights tools. It's Google Flights Price Tracker. You can use it to track two things. You can track a route between two destinations, a departure and an arrival airport, or you can use it to track a specific flight. This is how you use it. First, you find Google Flights. You can type that into Google search engine and click on Google Flights. Next, you want to make sure that you are signed in. I'll pull this over just a little bit. Here, I'm signed into this account right here. You cannot use Price Tracker if you are not signed into Google. Next, I want to actually type a route that I want to go. I'm going to put in Rome for a spring break trip and check out flights for that. And I click done and my search results come up. I can go ahead and track the flights here. I actually have it tracked from a previous example, but before I do that, I want to do an important thing. I want to customize the search results to what my needs are for the flight. Up here, you can see the different filters for the flight, and you can customize any of this to have your search results reflect how many stops that you want to take. In this instance, I know there's no nonstop flights from Chicago. I want one stop or fewer. I don't want any two-stop flights that will make my trip too long. And then I also want flights that are not overly long. I can see that this flight from SAS is over 30 hours and requires an overnight layover, which I find those to be expensive when you factor in meals and hotel stays. So I can see that there are plenty of flight options under 15 hours. So I want to have shorter flight durations with one stop or fewer, and those are the flights I want to track. All I have to do is click track prices, and then I will get this update saying that I will receive price update emails from Google that will go to my Gmail account. Now let's say that I already know that I have a flight that I like. For example, this Lufthansa flight looks great. I happen to like the departure time. I like the actual duration time. I'm going to pick the return flight here. And I like the carrier. I have status on the carrier and I can build more status. Then it's already set from a previous example, but what I can do is have this exact flight on these carriers come up, and then once I select those departure and return flights, I can track the prices. I get another notification, and that lets me know that I will get Google alerts from, I will get email alerts from Google. Now let's say I want to actually, instead of waiting for the emails, I want to be able to track my flights and see them myself. So I want to go ahead and get back to my Google, let me type in Google Flights. Again, I'm going to get back to my Google Flights homepage. And I'm logged in. What I can see is there's a section called Track Prices here, and I can see that I am tracking this flight to Rome. And I can see any other flights that I'm tracking for Google right here. And I can go ahead and see the information here. And that is it. So thank you so much. Hopefully you found this video useful, and this is a tool that you may use. If you like the video, please, if you found the video useful, please like it and subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos.